you? My name is Atish Jatam. My date of birth 2 December 2003. My father's name is Sri Darshanlal Jatam. My father's occupation is security guard. Company name Urchit Petals in village Kalipur, Gurgaon, Haryana. My mother's name and occupation Srimati Prayarbati Jatam and she is housewife. Address village Aroda, post Parkota, Thana Jora, Tehsil Kelaras, district Morena, state MP. My school name is Government Excellence Higher Secondary School Pargat. My education is 8th class pass and study in 9th class. My favorite subject in English. My hobby is reading books.
ताली बजाओ।